Hello again. So now before continuing, let's do a recap about everything we have done so far. So let me first stop the server and close everything. So first thing, we modified our footer.html by adding the information that are accessible everywhere by creating a context processor here and then defining it in the template variable of the settings.py. In the navbar, it's the same thing, where now our navbar is dynamic, and for the top bar as well. Let's see our home or index.html. So for this one, we worked on the first two sections. So let's run the server again and go back. So I will refresh now. We have this one and we have this one. The only thing that we need to modify now is just to modify the information that are here from the official website. So this is the official website. I will take this one, copy, and go to the admin page, open this one and copy it back here. Same for the code here. Again, perfect. Now we fixed this one, no need to refresh this one. Now we are here, and as you can see, we finished this part. Now for the home page, we still have to do, since these things here are static, this one will take us for the email. We still have to work on this section and this section. For this section, well, we will not do it now because this is related to the posts and the project, and there we will create like an additional Boolean function where it specifies that the selected posts or projects that are chosen as highlighted or featured will be shown here. So when we finish the projects, we'll come back to do that. Same for the contact, because we need to configure the contact here before. Okay, so we can say that for the meantime, we completed the home page. We still have to come back to fix these two. Now we can start with the resume. Well, for the resume, as you can see that we have this section is the same as the home page, so we can copy paste it, and then we start working on the other sections. What I'm going to do is I will create a new app for the resume page. So the pages app is just for the home page and for the general overview of the website. Instead, now I will start with a new app that is dedicated for the resume page. One thing to do first is to copy this one, going to the index.html and copy the about section. So this is the about section. I will copy it and then paste it in the resume.html since they are equal. Here it is, paste. Let me check from here. Okay, perfect. Save. Now open. I think I stopped the server. No, it's still running. Okay, perfect. Now let's start with a new app for the resume section. So Python manage.py start app resume. And the first thing to do is, okay, so here we have resume. So first thing is to add a urls.py and then go to the my website, to the settings, and here say resume.apps.resume config. Okay, an additional thing is that no need anymore now to use the URL that is here. Therefore I will copy this one and paste it in resume, then remove everything here, and also remove this one. Perfect. Then go back to the views here, remove this one from here, then go to the views here and use it in the resume app. One last thing is to configure the urls.py for the resume in the main app. So this is going to be resume include resume.urls. Save, and let's rerun the server to make sure that everything is okay. Refresh. Here we go. So now the configuration for the view and the URL are not anymore in the pages app, but instead they are in the resume app. In the next video we'll start working on the resume app.